If you don't have a good guacamole recipe, I've got really good news for you. You don't need one. All you really need is avocados, lime, and salt. I like to use about a half a lime per avocado, and then a little bit of salt, actually a good amount of salt. And then anything else is just extra. Personally, I like to use some cilantro in mine and a little bit of black pepper, but that's it. But if you're feeling really crazy and you want to add a little jalapeno, that'd work. Personally, I don't think tomato and onion belongs in here, but you do you. But guacamole is one of the easiest and fastest things to make. I think this video is about 4 minutes long, and there's pretty much no cuts, no weird camera trickery going on. I just set up the camera and made guacamole in one take, and it only took a few minutes. So stick around for a couple minutes, and I'll show you what the ultimate avocado masher is.